If you'd like to see how you can add color or maybe a sparkle to your intaglio print, this video is for you. I will show you how you can change your intaglio print by adding a thin paper using Chine Collé process. This is the part 3 of the series of collagraph printmaking. In the first video I show you how I created plates using unique tools. In a second video I showed you the whole process of Chine Collé, and I added some hand color papers to the plates and printed them, and in that video I just added Chine Collé papers to part of the plate. And this video I will show you prints where I'm adding Chine Collé paper to the whole plate. It's a small plate 4x4, but you can see how it alters the print. So if you compare this video and the prints from the second video, you can see the difference. And as a bonus, I will also show you prints from 3 different plates, which I think came out really interesting and beautiful. So you can see also that. So I'm starting by inking the plates and wiping the plates. These are the 2 Carborundum Collagraph plates. I will link the videos where I'm showing how I created them above at the end of the video in the description. So here, sped up the process of inking and wiping. I'm using Akua printmaking ink. I will also post that in the description. You can find all the my favorite printmaking materials there. I'm using Q-tips to get the lightest area. And here are the papers I will be adding to the print. You see there is some sparkle. There are hand color Chine Collé papers. I added watercolors to Mulberry paper and also some gold ink. And I have a video where you can see exactly how I did it, so I will link that video as well. And now I will be applying glue. I will be using a Nori paste, which is a rice glue. So we are applying that to the Chine Collé paper. As you can see, it's a little bit tricky. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Marta Nowicka. I am abstract printmaker, painter, and on my channel I share more printmaking tutorials and processes, as well as watercolor, mixed media, and I also have art book reviews, including some printmaking books. And here I'm adding paper to the plates. It's important to put the glue side up, so we need to do that carefully. As you can see, here I'm covering the whole plate. In the previous video I added Chine Collé only to the part of the plate. Here I'm adding the Chine Collé to the whole small 4x4 plate. And you need to have your paper damped, so you put it in a water bath for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then you blot the paper so it's just a little bit damp, it's not wet. Now putting paper carefully. And print reveal. So here it goes, the first print. And you can see the Chine Collé paper didn't glue properly to the paper, but you can manage that. And actually in the previous video, in part 2, I showed how you can like re-glue the paper if it didn't stick properly. And here is the second print. So colors of those prints are completely different than the ones from the previous video, so you can watch the other one and compare and decide which options do you like. And because there was this gold ink on the paper, it also has a little bit some sparkles. I'm not sure if it's visible here, but it's a nice touch to the print. And you can see all the textures from a Carborundum Collagraph plate and dry point lines. And here are those 2 bonus prints. This is also paper I created with watercolors, but these are plates I created some time ago. And again, I applied glue, so the same procedure as with the 2 previous prints, and we'll be printing that. So here we go. This is the first print, and I must say I'm really happy how it turns out. I like the different colors, which are nicely visible in the print. And that's the second one. So these are the prints, and actually the one on the right got into the Juried show for Society of American Graphics. So I'm very excited about that. And these 2 are also collagraph plates created with different mediums, acrylic mediums. And this is the third print using the same Chine Collé paper, and the plate it was a small metal plate with some carborundum added and dry point lines. And here you can see all the prints I printed in this session. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please like, comment and subscribe. It helps me to create more videos like that and grow this channel. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye.